Hey, my amazing people, oh, it don't show, it don't shell, oh. Ah, okay. Since he not come to court with lawyer, ah, you don't know say the judge sef still get something for you to save. My country people, this kind one, it don't land again. As single father grandpapa don come court of law say e no come with his lawyer. Na so the court come tell am say since e no come, there's no need, but you see this thing wey I go tell you say you go do am as long as you want those two pikins wey dey in your custody to remain. If you no do am, na im be say Regina Daniels go come collect those pikins. One of them be say im go dey provide those children's need, like anything they need, im go run go give her, like buy anything, if na shoe, if na clothes, whatever thing they need, im go buy am for them. And another one be say im no go post am for social media space. Anything wey go make am post those two children for social media, make him avoid am patapata. Make him avoid am patapata, because if they should see any, even if it is a picture, na im be say you don disrespect the court law, so na im be say you don go and do otherwise. The second one wey dey tell am say is mandated. This one shock me o. Im go remain for Nigeria, im no go anywhere. This one no be say tomorrow go talk say I wan carry those children go trip to Canada, I wan carry them go to America, this and that, you wan go obodo oyibo. This one, the court of law tell am say no, dem go remain for Nigeria, they are going nowhere. Hey, this one sweet me o. The third one be say Regina is granted the right to be visiting her children, because me, I no see wetin dey there. Na her children, those children be. Na her children wey she carry for 9 months. Na im go come dey restrict am make she no come see them. Na so the court come talk say Regina Daniels is granted the right to visit the children because she is also their mother. Like maybe she might come and visit them, just buy them some things and go back. But even if they fit spend some night at her house and they will come back. That is what the court, these are the 3 conditions the court give her if you still want the 2 sons to be staying at his house. Hey, my country people, una the reason wetin I dey reason. Hey, Epalolo, omo, your plan e no work o. Eweleke. After everything, so see, God don mandate to do wetin you dey plan since make you no do. See, you see wetin you don do yourself. As I dey gist una, e dey shele, e dey happen. E dey shele o, e dey happen. Na so single father grandpapa dey allegedly come dey talk say im no go do am o. Hey, you see the condition wey the court give am, im no go do am. Hey, as I dey gist una, e dey shele, e dey happen for IG o. Wetin be say e no go do am, wetin e mean be say Regina Daniels go come collect the pikin. After they come explain everything to am finish, na im come realize say true, if you no do this thing, na so say Regina Daniels don win o. True, if she no do am, Regina Daniels go collect this pikin. The pikin wey e take use dey hold am since, e no go use again. So Regina Daniels will now be free to do whatever she wants. Na so e come maybe e come reason am finish come talk say im go do am. No worries, he go do am. But me, I know say im get another agenda. Wey come make him agree to that one. My country people, hey, it is about to go down. Oh. It is about to go down. Hey, I no see where to talk put though. Hey, this kind matter, e just dey do me totally for body. They just dey give a palolo back to back. They give am front and back. Anywhere where e come, they go hold and say pack. He no come with him lawyer. He can't say everything go air like that. He go win the case. Now so court come tell and say, I know what you plan, so take it. Now so he can't give am back to back. See 3 conditions where they give am. After he come here and come to say you no go do am. My dear, you go do am whether you like am or not, unless you want Regina Daniels to call it, which I know say Regina Daniels will still win. So all this thing wey you dey do, you no get where you go take you to. The only thing wey dey there wey you go do now be say, na you to cool down, make the court decide if na you or Regina Daniel. Make you no do mago on top of am. Make you just make the law decide well. Because for your eyes, you fit go dey bribe people up and down. Oh yeah, the people wey you bribe, dem no come. See where e don land you. You try this one on top of Regina Daniels matter, e no go work. You try this one, e no go work. You no go rest. Go rest now. You know dey tire. For this matter, you know dey tire at all. My country people, if this not the first time you dey come across my videos, please do well to subscribe, like and share. Put mouth for this matter. My country people, make una